So as you can see, this one here, this one is NSD USD. After I entered the profit here, as you can see, after I entered a small profit here, I shifted my my stop loss. Then after that, I swing the market. So this is the reason why I couldn't trade so much last week, because I had some beautiful trade that I've took last week, which I was trying to hold, because what I believe in, guys, in a market, making money is not about trading every single minute, but making money in a market, it's all about, it's all about you. You need to understand how you're going to generate your trades. I say sometimes you're gonna leaving money to the table. You're gonna be taking the profit from the trades, which they're still gonna move so much. As you can see, ADJPY right here. I entered here. I entered here. This is where I bought my trades from. I bought my trades from here. And then after you move like something about this was like something about close to 80 pips, then I locked my profit, because I knew that it's gonna fly so much, and I'm that kind of person who always patient when it comes to the market. Now you can see what we're running to the market. We're running something amazing. I say I could have been close this trade and open another ones, close this trade and open another ones. So as we speak, man, like everything's been good. You can see ADJPY and you can see KDJPY. Everything has been moving so smooth. So but this week I'm not gonna hold any of this. This week is the week to find my other beautiful trades, which I'm going to hold same as this ones. You know what I'm saying? You can see the profit is beautiful, like for real. So this is the reason why I'm always patient when it comes to the entry taking. I say me and my VIP, my VIP gang. I say we are very patient when it comes to the market taking, like entry taking. I say we need to find some beautiful entry. Like as we speak, I have some other beautiful entry which I'm about to take. But before I take my entries, I just want to make sure first I take my profit from everything that you see in the market. Today I'm gonna take everything. So guys, if you wanna kill the market like this, say make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link, of course, is on description below. Check the link on description below. Join the free Telegram group. Every trade that you see here, all these trades, I've been sharing them, the setups, in a free Telegram group before I take the trade. I always show my gang on free Telegram group that this is the I just give you the full market structure, because I analyze the market every day. So when the market is about to be taken, I always share the setup to the free Telegram group so that everybody can play its own part. But if you want to get the confirmation, time to enter the market, you want to get the full signal like this, if you want to trade with me, you need to join the free Telegram group. Then you can text me, send me a message on Telegram, and let me know, like, yo Juba, I want to join the VIP group, where you send the signals every day, so you're gonna be able to be trading same as I do. So in this case, I'm gonna first take my profit from AUD JPY, because this one I've been swinging these trades so much, but today I want to take my profit. I want to take my profit, man. Like It's been so good. Like, it's been so good. I've killed a lot of peeps from this one, which was crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna close my profit there. You know what I'm saying? And now we have some new trade which we're gonna enter after this one. But because been swinging these trades from last week, but like some of them I took them last week. But because I had a beautiful trend, I didn't want to leave the money to the table, I just been, locking the profit, and then I keep on holding the profit. I say all you need is just to make sure that your profit is safe, then you can continue to hold, as soon as the market moves, and then you keep on shifting the stop loss. Easy like that. It's very easy, man. No big deal. Yeah, but it is a big deal when you don't have information. But when you already have some information like this from professional traders, then you must know. That's how you do it. So, gang, yeah, man, as you can see, I'm taking my profit. Is Monday. So, still Monday, as you can see, it's 9 a.m. Now, this week, I want to go harder with a new, with a new profit, I say. So, as you can see, everything has been taken. So, right now, we're gonna check out. We're gonna check out which page that. We're gonna check out USD CAD. Yeah, we're gonna check out USD CAD. I say, guys, wanna go crazy with this one? USD CAD. Yes, we wanna sell this one right now, if you know what I'm saying. And as we speak, guys, I already shared a signal into my VIP group, so make sure don't miss out, so that we can start printing this money together this week. So make sure you join our VIP group, gang. So since my account, guys, it's heavy. Since my account is heavy, today I wanna go crazy. I wanna go crazy. You know what I say? I wanna go crazy. Remember, guys, every day, make sure you use the proper risk management. So I'm going so heavy today because my account is looking so good. If you know what I'm saying? And my account is looking so good. And the other thing is that my setup is also looking so beautiful. If you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna be watching me how I trade like this, trading live with you. This is my new trade, bro, as you can see. If you know what I'm saying? And as soon as you jump in a free Telegram group, you're gonna find this setup right there. I already sent in my free Telegram group. So check this out in a free Telegram group. You will see the reason why I'm taking this trade. If you know what I'm saying? So jump in. Check the link on description below. If you're watching me from the YouTube, check the link on description below. Go check the reason why I took this trade. If you know what I'm saying? That's how professional trader we trade. If you know what I'm saying? Go check it out, and you're gonna learn something from there. And if you're watching me from Instagram, check the link on my bio. Jump in a free Telegram group. Go find out the reason why professional trader taking their trades. And I said, that's how you're going to run. That's how you're going to run. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so I have to accept all these losses. As you can see, I'm still on the red, but the red, it's gonna be a brew, bro, soon, man. You know what I'm saying? So don't be scared, though. Soon we're gonna enter brew. So yeah. So guys, yeah, that's how it is, man. You know, I already take my trades. You know, after I take my trades, ask me where am I going to put the TP and the stop loss. So my stop loss is going to be around this area. My stop is going to be around here. My stop loss is going to be around this area here. You feel what I'm saying? So let me put my stop loss, which means going to be my stop loss is going to be 1.37. Let me put it every single time you take a trade, though, make sure you put a stop loss. Make sure you put a stop loss. 1.37, because I just want to put 35 pips as a stop loss. 1.37, 262, and boom. Let's go, baby. You know, we already in a profit, man. You know what I'm saying? We already in a profit, but guess what? This is gonna go crazy. We're expecting something crazy. So you can see my stop loss. This will be something about 1:2, which my TP is going to be around. My TP1 is going to be around here. This is 1 to 2. So I'm risking 30 pips to make 60 pips. This is going to be my first take profit. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You already know. So usually I'm not going to put a TP as long as I'm already put the stop loss. So as soon as the market moves all the way to this point here, I count this as a TP. I'm gonna shift the stop loss. You see, I took 3 trades. I'm gonna take the profit for 1 trade and get out straight up, which means it's gonna be the TP1. The rest, I just gonna shift the stop loss and see how it goes. You feel what I'm saying? So man, I'm out. It's your boy Juba Snipe, man. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Let's trade this thing, man. Let's make this money, man. No way out. That's how we survive. Don't miss out. Don't miss the opportunity. Make sure you join the Fitting group. Let's do it. Free trading. Free live trading. As you can see, we already entered the profit. Something about, something about $40 with you right now on live. So you already know how professional trader we trade. I'm out, baby. Make sure subscribe.